I think it's awesome. What a great honor for the marching band to have a part on the campus every day where people will hear us playing our music whenever they walk by the Hoeschler Tower.
Are you serious?
Wow, I can't believe that they honestly just changed that.
They say that the only thing constant in life is change, so I'm glad that lacrosse is getting with the times.
We always think of ourselves as ambassadors of UWL, and now people will hear it every day.